everyone, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I have a quick video for you to show you how to make this really cute bookmark. Isn't that adorable? It's just fastens by a magnet and onto your page, and I think it's really cute. It has this bird's eye view stamp that's so cute. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make one of these. We'll take a look at how cute this little bookmark is. Isn't that neat? It starts with the deckled circles dies, and you've got a big one, and I made one a little bit smaller, and this bird is so cute. So just want to show you that. It's in the annual catalog, page 48, and look at these little images. It's the glasses that really make it, I think, but they're all really cute. And so I'll show you what I did to put this together. I already cut out of Highland Heather. I cut one of the really big deckled circles. Let's see what it is. This one's about 4 1/4 inches. And then the other one, it's just under 4 inches for the Designer Series paper. And that is the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. So let me glue those together. Okay, and then I'm going to score it down the middle, and it helps me a little bit to use a piece of paper to get it really straight. So I have down score it at 2 1/8. So I'm going to put this. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, okay. I'm putting this at 2 1/8, and I have an up and down on this. So I don't want to score it this way. I want it to be in half this way. So I'm going to line it up with this and try to get it what looks like as straight as I can. Okay, and then don't cut it, just score it. Okay. So you can see my score line there. I'm going to fold it in half and burnish the score line. Then I'll go ahead and add the magnet. So you got to look at what's the front. This is going to be the front part. I got these magnets. Here they are on Amazon. And I will put on my PDF, I'll put a link to what these are so you can get the right size. And you were going to try to pick up 2 of them. They're slippery little things. 1, 2, I think I got it. Yeah, they just want to fly all over the place. So, and put a glue dot on each side. Grab one. There, let me try to put it where I think the center is. That's pretty close. Okay, and a glue dot on the other, and then I'll just close it up. Okay, and then the first time you open it, you might have a problem. I didn't. So you just, once you get the magnets on both sides, just squish them so they stay shut. I've stamped the bird and the glasses and my stack of books using Memento black ink. And now I'm going to color them with some purples and yellows. So what I had was the Lemon Lolly Stampin' Blends. And then I have Highland Heather, and I have a dark crumb cake. I've cut a deckled circle from Basic White. This one's about 2 1/8 inch in diameter. And let me see, let me first put the, I'll put the books on the bottom. I want the little bird to be able to stay in this and not go up above it. So let me do the top part of that first. So I'll glue the bottom of the circle on. It's a cute idea for your friends in a book club or something. Oops, let me move it down. I'm going to get the little feet. So there you go. Isn't that cute? I think your friends would love this. So I hope you give it a try. And thanks so much for watching today. And be sure and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell thing so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.